if you're experiencing subscription errors on Power BI service, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check subscription status. Before starting recovery, use the Astra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Review email settings. Ensure that the email settings for the subscription are correctly configured. Check the recipient email addresses and make sure they are valid and active. Step 3. Inspect dataset refresh. Confirm that the dataset related to your subscription has been refreshed successfully. If the dataset is not updated, it may cause errors in sending the subscription emails. Step 4. Verify permissions. Check that you have the necessary permissions to access the report or dashboard associated with the subscription. If permissions are insufficient, you may need to request access from the administrator. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Power BI support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error message you are encountering for more effective troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve subscription errors on Power BI service efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.